still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. It's still the same day and kagigising lang namin and kakatapos ang magayos. But we are heading out. Maglalakad-lakad lang kami dito sa Bay Area dito sa tapat ng hotel and then look for a place na kakainan namin ng dinner. So, for my outfit guys is this one. My buntis dress. And still my Air Force. Ayan. Para ano lang siya. Yung parang maaraw lang and all of that. So, chill.
The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Sim. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I could stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I could stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, na na na, woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, na na na, woo, na na na. Put on my rain boots, my favorite.
So, dito na kami guys sa Navy Pier. Naglakad na kami mula sa hotel hanggang dito. And ito kami sa may bandang ano niya, ano ba daw, dagat. Nakain lang kami dito sa Big Bowl. Ayan. Para may energy pagpunta sa taas ulit. Tapos lakad ulit pabalik. Or maybe we'll get the bicycles na lang. Chicken. Tapos kay Mac naman is sesame chicken. Tapos fried rice yung sa amin. Wala na daw silang noodles kasi malapit na silang magsara. It's already 8 p.m.
I see you hide yourself underneath the mountain of makeup. Plus the words that you made up won't make you any cooler than you are. But when you're with me and you're half asleep and I can count each freckle and see all your beauty that you hide. This ain't usually how you're like. Then
Magbabike na lang kami at pabalik sa my Birmingham. Ano na ang pangalan ng fountain na yun? Basta yun. Sa pinanggalingan namin. So, paano
be more worried, it'll never begin. So I'll ask, how is life in Hollywood if all your dreams came true? And how come every time we talk you act like you're
guys, doon na namin mahanap kung saan yung parking area nitong bike. Saan banda? I don't know. May bike doon na ano. Doon kaya?
for you. Now the tears roll down your eye. You can't hide all all this loneliness inside. So you weep and cry by yourself to sleep at night. Now fear consumes your mind. What if I'm not too cut out for this life? Oh, I've never seen you act this way. So I came, booked a one-way to LA. Gave up everything, paused my job and changed my name so I could prove to you.
Hey everyone, thank you so much at narating nyo naman po yung part ng vlog na ito. This is the shoutout time and gusto ko lang pong mag-shoutout sa mga nag-comment po sa aking vlog na meal prepping before consecutive hospital work. Lagi ako nagme-meal prep guys, pero nitong mga nakaraan hindi ako nakakapag-meal prep kaya nga medyo nagrereklamo na si Mac. Ayan, kaya ayan, shoutout muna tayo sa mga nag-comment. Shoutout kay It's Me Cherry, Ibrahim Hailil, M&R Vlogs. Ang question niya, okay pa rin po ba ang lasa if ito from freezer? Ganyan din po ginagawa namin kaso sa fridge lang. Sabi, ang ano ko dito guys, pag nagme-meal prep, as long as you put it in the freezer, hindi siya masisira. Tapos, basta maganda yung pagkakasil, yung parang walang hangin, hindi siya ma-freezer burn. Tapos, hindi kayo bukas at sara ng freezer lagi. Yung dapat yung temperature niya is na-maintain niya. Okay pa rin po siya. Kahit i-thaw nyo siya at ipainit, okay na okay. Ayan. And then, shout out pa kay Raymond Caperto, kay Kuya Junar Apin. Kumusta man? Pa-shout out naman sa asawa ko na super addict kakapanood ng vlog nyo. GC Odero, I love you. Ang sweet ni Kuya Junar. Ayan, neighbor na namin sila guys. Malapit na lang sila dito. Nasa kabilang street lang sila. Na-find out nila yung Ida Grove because of my vlog. Ayan, nakapaghanap sila ng bahay dito. And then, ang work nila is 20 or 30 minutes away from this place. So, okay na okay pa rin naman. Ayan, shout out. Sana na-enjoy sana na-enjoy nyo yung stay nyo dito sa Ida Grove. Kuya Jonar and GC. Sana makasama rin namin kayo sa barbecue next time. Ayan. And then, shout out kay Loiza Edgington. And then, kay Roach, R-O-C-H. And then, kay Ronnie Caberto. Ayan, thank you so much everyone for commenting. Ayan, sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga. And for subscribing to my channel. Ayan. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. Kasi parang 80% ng viewers ng mga videos ko para hindi subscriber. So, baka naman, subscribe lang kayo guys para lagi kayong ma-update. Especially kapag mga papunta kayo dito sa US. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOfMia. And I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye!
Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds.